Hello, good morning. So I didn't thought of vlogging, but I came across a view which I didn't expect it. So in Bangalore, wanna see that? I never thought that Chawl area would be in Bangalore, and I got this. So let's see unexpected picture of Bangalore too. I'm not taking you, don't worry. So halfway is off-roading, halfway is you will get a good road. The poor doggy. I don't. They're like tigers in the city. Expected area of city Bangalore. We have palace which doesn't look like a palace. For a temple visit, and meanwhile I come to know that there is a slum area. So I didn't expect it that there would be area like this in Bangalore. Now I am in highway and I am going for a breakfast. So let's take. So we didn't got any hotel or restaurant open this time. We are going to a hotel. See, I'm vlogging. So which restaurant it is, I don't know.
मैम आईटी से मीटिंग तो इवेंट के लिए रेस्टोरेंट
So this is a restaurant. This is a 5-star hotel. And this is a welcome gate. Let's go. I have to check my bag. It's a laptop. See the vibe. I'm in palace. Whoa. So we are in Gastro. You wanna see the view? Get a look. Dude, this is a hotel. Seems like a museum to me. See the Kathak, see the Bharatnatyam. There are some it's so nice. There is a piano in center and there's too rich vibe. I'm remembering that Royals. Oh my god. Which movie that you remember? That Akshay Kumar was there. Bhul Bhulaiya. Ami je tuma chin 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 tumi sudhma. Wow. So nice. Oh, king vibe. There are some peaceful pictures. Oh my god. From some to 5-star hotel. The journey is Oh my god, this is like palace. Chin, chin, chin. Now finally we are to the main gate. So it's a buffet. Now we are going back because we like the hotel, but we did not like the food. And I am here for food. I like the red piano. This reminds me of fairy tale. See? But no one is playing that. It's just a showpiece. Let's go back. But I like the vibe. So I'm waiting for auto now. And meanwhile, you can view the Jhumar actually. I like it. It's like fish flying in the air. See? Too many dolphins are flying in the air. Now I just came and see. This is a Wipro hotel and this is the entrance. I am vibing the Mumbai into Bangalore. Let's try Udupi first and get into real taste of Bangalore. We are at Udupi and this is what they have. See. And there is nothing. We have ordered cheese masala dosa, rava idli and pav bhaji. That's all. In Bangalore I am trying pav bhaji. I'm sure that would not be great. So now we are in Udupi and we are trying another thing. 5-star hotel was not that good and out of budget too. So now we are done with food and we are going for go-karting. So see the road, some construction are going, I guess. It's 10 but small, weather is still like a 8 AM in the morning. So now we are going for a gate, it's just 300 meters away and this is how I came across. See, there are shops, there are small shops. I thought in Bangalore there would not be small shops, there's just malls and big stores, mart, but there are stores. See. While go-karting, I came across this building. See the architecture, it is like a temple. But once I saw inside, it is a sari store. It's a cheating, no? Just a sari. See, I thought it would be a temple, a great temple I come across, an ancient temple. Why Bangalore? This is not fair, no? Let me know in comment. Is it fair? After this, there is a gutter. cleaning session is going on. See. Whole all the way to road. I have to wear mask. Bye. So after walking long, finally we have reached to E-Zone, the Tornado. Let's play some fun game. You will get to know. So there is a game go-karting for which we came, and let's have a look. It is my first time here. I'm going to explore this kind of game. Oh, look, it looks like a race zone. Guys are racing. Why it seems so slow? Should be fast, no?
You can go fast. You can beat everyone.
Okay, let's look around and have a view. The stuffed toys are nice. I came across this, and here is a shooting zone, air rifle. And see, the setup reminds me of exactly Sand ki Aankh, the practice zone. Should I enter in this? How can I? Oh, there is a gate. See, this is so real. I had never imagined I will get this place and I will shoot. I will not shoot real people, but I will give a AK-47 vibe. So I have settled. Now I have decided to play 3 games: bowling, go-karting and rifle. But what I love it is this one. Yeah! I found another game, laser tag. I'm not sure what it is. This man will explain. After visualizing the place, we liked it, like the vibe. Now we are in queue. This. Get the card and then we'll play. Join us. Tell us that you like it or not. For go-karting, I got my band and here's the vibe. So let's go. Here's the entry point. I'm tired with my luggage, but there's so much. Now we are again in queue for that cart ride. See the I've got this card. I'm not sure I'm looking good or not. Okay, we have to play. We are not having fancy dress. But it is like a fancy dress. Going like a parlor. After watching video, I'm not able to register, but there is just 10 stair away, but still a long queue. I'm looking like a surgeon, no? Just I need a white coat. I don't know. I'm not able to register. Just 2 minutes more. After that accidentally wear that mask, na, it feels like that. Okay. So idea of go-karting went wrong. I got hurt on my head and chest pain and this. It's okay. New adventure, new struggle. But better luck next time. I was just at the end and I got hit there, this place, and after that they asked me to sit there. It's hurting a lot, but it's okay. You can't stop smiling. I didn't win. I got disqualified. It's hurting. Now I don't know what to do. Still paining, hurting, but I don't wanna be sad. I wanna play. So let's go. Baby will play. So now we are going for a rifle. Instruction. Here are. How it goes. I think it will be fun. I always wanted to shoot rescue. Finally done with Sandhya. Did this and this is the result. Tell me, I did it or not. Still hurt it, but I did it. So subscribe. Now we are at another zone for bowling. Look up you! But it's hurting. I don't know how will I play, but I will play. Come here, I will play. Again, Q. That's Q. I don't like Q. It feels like Rasan Dukan. But we have to play. I got this new. Now we are done with drawing and see what we are in. So after completing the game zone playing, I had fun, but I'm still tired. My head is like hammering, like someone is hammering me. It feels like that. So now I'm gonna take a bath, take rest, and sleep for at least 2-3 hours. So my body will rest. My backbone is paining, my chest is paining, my head is paining. It's like buzzing. So I'm a bit dizzy. Let's see what this. Bye. So I woke up just and friend came for badminton. So we are going for badminton.
अरे ऐसे ऐसे एक साइड में लगाऊं या दोनों साइड में लगाऊं फिर एक बनेगा.
So we are going for badminton. Let's see how it goes. It's raining. We are not sure that we will be able to play or not. But we are happy people, right? We make every sad thing a wonderful smiley. So let's go.